Colt 1908 25 automatic. Let's see what this little baby can do. MAB Model D 32 ACP. Let's shoot this little baby. Daewoo DH380, it's a Walther PP clone, 380 automatic. Let's see this one shoot. Walther P1, based off the P38 9mm, made in Germany. Let's shoot this one.